Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, in my previous video, I have make you familiar with the three-dimensional objects by showing you some examples. And now we are going to start the unit 10 of your NCERT book, that is visualizing solid shapes. In this video, we will do exercise 10.1 in which we will study about the different views. So let's start question number 1. But before starting that, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my all the upcoming videos. So let's start with question number 1 of 10.1 exercise. So dear students, our first question is, for each of the given solid, two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front view. The first one is done for you. So dear students, for each of the given solid means these objects, two views are given, means side view and top view. So here the picture of five objects are given to you: a bottle, a weight, a flask, a cup and saucer, and a container are given to you. We have to match up these objects with their side view and top view. The first example is already quoted for you. The first object is a bottle. Dear students, as you can see, its side view is just similar to its original object. But how does it look like from the top? As you can see in the figure, the top and bottom of the bottle both are circular, but the top is narrow, a smaller circle, and bottom carries a bigger circle. So which figure shows a bigger and smaller circle? This one. But here is also there, but this is of cup and saucer. How does we come to know? Because here is a handle which is marked here. I'll show you this example by a bottle, by giving you visualization of a bottle. So let us take an example of the bottle. So dear students, here is a bottle which is just similar to the bottle given in the first question. As you can see, it's front view, or we can say side view. This is just similar to the bottle. But what about its top and the bottom? So as you can see, its top carries a circle and its bottom is also circular, right? So but the top represents a smaller circle and the bottom represents a bigger circle. So when we look at its top view, so you can see its top view as, so now you will be able to see its top view, and you can see both the circles, a smaller circle is there and a bigger circle is there. This is the top view of this bottle. So dear students, I hope the concept is clear to you now. Now similarly, a weight is given to us. So its side view covers the three boxes. So this is the side view. Its top view is having the numeric value. So we will represent this is the side top view. A flask, which is its side view is just similar to this, but the top view is circular with this handle. So here it is. A cup and saucer, side view is just similar to this, and again two circles are there in case of cup and saucer. A bigger circle is for saucer and smaller circle is for this, and the handle of the cup is also visible in the top view. A container, so container is just looking same as from the side view, and this is the top view, as its base is rectangular or square and its top is having the lid circular. So this is the top view. So now let's do question number 2. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. So dear students, again the question is quite similar to the question number 1. Objects are given to you, but here we ourselves have to mention their top view, front view, and side view. Like in case of an almirah, you can see its front view is already marked and it carries the door and a mirror. So we'll write this view as the front view. Now from the side, this rectangular face is there. This is the side view. From the top, a smaller rectangular face is there. So this is the top view. Similarly, a matchbox, its front view. Front view carries this opening. So this is front view. Side view is the scratching part of this matchbox. So here is the scratching part, that is side view. On the top view, you can see a label which is having a picture of fish is there. So this is the top view. Similarly, you can mark for TV and a car. So do this question, the first question, second and third in your book only, and you have to write their views, type of views. Similar is question number 3. For each of given solids, identify top view, front view and side view. So dear students, while doing this, be very careful. So very first of all, now this figure containing 3 cubes are given to you. But its front view carries only 2 squares. So 2 squares means this is the front view. Then from the side, dear students, it carries again 2 boxes. So this is the side view. From the top, you can see 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like this. Okay, 3 squares. This is the top view, right? This is top view, not front. Now B part is again, it is made up of 4 cubes. See, 1, 2, third cube is here and fourth cube. Now its side view. From the side, it's this part is visible and this part. 2 parts are visible. So this is side view. Front part, for front, this and this and this. 3 squares in the same line. We can see this figure also. 3 squares are visible. So this is the front view. From the top, dear students, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and L shape is visible from the top. So this is L shape, inverted L shape. This is the top view. Similarly, this is the front view. 1, 2, 3, 4 square. 3 squares are vertical. Fourth one is joined with the middle one. So this is the front view we can write. From the side, only this part, this and this. These 3 will be visible and they will visible in a straight line. So we can mark 3 squares with side view. From the top, only this and this. These 2, when we will look at this like this, we will be able to see only these 2 parts. So this is the top view. Similarly, you have to do these 2 figures. Side view carries only 2 squares. This is side view. Top view, 1. Take the top of every cube. 1. Yeah, this cube is there, but it is hidden. It is lying under this cube. So its top is not visible. This top is visible. This 3 tops. So 3 tops. This is top view. Then front view. This is front, this is front, this is front, this is front. So a lying L shape is there. So this is front view. Now be careful while doing E part. From the side, dear students, this is the side, this and this. These 3 will be visible. So this is the side view. From the top, this and this. Again a L, inverted L. This is top view. From the front, 1, 2, 3. This is front view. So be very careful doing this. Now let us do question number 4. What is question number 4? Do this question in your notebook. First of all, draw a table in which make all the 6 figures. And then draw the front view, side view and top view of the given object. So let me show you how to do this question. So dear students, the first object is military tank. Here make the table object front view, top view and side view like this. Then make the object front view. As you can see, its front is appearing as a rectangle, so we will make it as, use pencil and scale to draw the figures. This is your front view. Then side view is rectangular, so we will make a rectangle for side view. कि अगर हमें टेंट बनाना पड़े तो हम कैसे करेंगे, रेक्टेंगल ही सेट करेंगे. देन टॉप व्यू, फॉर टॉप व्यू आई विल शो यू थ्रू अ बुक. So dear students, I have assembled a book in the form of a tent, as you can see here. So its front view is rectangle, right? Front view is rectangular. Let us see its side view. You can see its side view is, front view is triangular, side view is rectangular, and now let us see its top. So a line is there. At this side a part is there, rectangular part. At this side its rectangular part is there. So we will take it more tilted, it will look like this. So we will make the top view as a line and two rectangular faces, but tilted in this way, like a book. Okay, so this is the top view, side view and front view of this tent. Now the second figure is a hexagonal, the second figure is a table, and its top, front and side are given to us. So let us make this table in the figure. A table is there. This is the front view. Let us see from the front, we will be able to see this part. So we will make the part like this rectangle, then the legs are representing it like this. Now top view, top is rectangular, so make a rectangle like this. Use pencil and scale, dear students, to draw the figures. Then side view is just similar to the top view. Again, two legs will be visible from the side view also. So we will make it similar to the front view, right? Now dear students, our C part is a nut, a screw. Let me make this nut, a nut in front of you. First of all, a hexagon is there. Then make one more hexagon outside this to get a nut. It is just similar to the weight. Now a square in front, two square rectangles in front. So this is the front view, this is top, and this is side. So for this, let us draw. First one is front view. In the front, these three faces are visible. So we'll make the middle one, then the side ones. ये side वाले draw करेंगे दोनों, like this, right? Now for top view, two hexagons are visible. So again we will make two hexagons, a smaller one. Hexagon means a six-sided figure, like this. Then from the side view, dear students, we will be able to see this V. एक ये फेस दिखेगा और दूसरी तरफ से दूसरा. So we'll be able to see only two faces like this. Because यहाँ से 1, 2, 3 faces visible हैं. 1, 2, 3. From this we'll be able to see only two faces. So this is the front view, top view, side view of these three objects. Now let us draw the remaining three objects also. Now dear students, in D part a hexagonal block is there. So let me make this block also in front of you. So the front block is of 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we'll make it like this only. So we will make the 6 blocks like this, right? Then this is there, and then the remaining like this. So this is front, this is side, and this is top. So let us make front view, 6-sided figure. Top view, top carries these two shapes. These two faces only. Top में 2 faces आ जाएंगे. And the side carries this time 3 faces. So side will be like 1, 2, and 3 like this. Now E is a dice. E is a dice. We all know it is cubical in shape. So a dice is made in front of you. It is given to you like this. On the top, 2 faces, 2 dots. On side, this is given. On front, 3 dots are given. This is front, this is side, and this is top. So front is, we'll make a square. As we all know, it is a cube. Dice is in the shape of a cube, and cube is always made up of a square. So front face carries 3 dots. Top view carries only 2 dots with a square. You can check a dice at your home also. And side view carries only 1 dot like this. So these are the 3 views of this. So dear students, they have represented you this in this shape like this. See? So this is the top carrying 2 dots. This is the front carrying 3 dots. And this is the face, side face carrying 1 dot. So when top is there, you can see a square with having 2 dots. So this will lies under the top view. Then side view carries 3 dots. So this is the front, because when we are looking at this, the figure will be like this. हमारे पास ये 3 faces show कर रखे हैं, as you can see. So for the side view, this face is there. So again, it is square in shape with a dot. So I hope it is clear to you. Now the next one, last, is a solid having made up of 4 cubes. 4 cubes एक के ऊपर एक रखे हैं. So let us make it and then make the views. So how to make it? Let us make a parallelogram first of all, like this. Okay, make a partition in this. It represents the 2 cubes. Their front faces we can see like this. Okay, this is the side face we can see. So in this way 2 blocks are there. Third is hidden here, और उसके ऊपर हम रख रहे हैं next अपना. So that will make like this. This. Then a parallelogram. And then we'll join like this. So ये एक क्यूब नीचे छिपा हुआ है इसके, जिसके ऊपर ये रखा हुआ है. So this is your 4 cubes, 1 2 3, और एक नीचे एक के ऊपर एक रखा हुआ. So it's front view. This is the front view. Dear students, this is side view and this is top view. So from the top you will be able to see this face, this and this. From front, this is front, this is front, and this is front. हमें ये सिर्फ 3 दिखेंगे L shape में. So we will make it like this. Then उसके नीचे हमें दिखेगा ये वाला front, and then this face. So it will be like this. Then top view, this will be top, this is top, this is top. जो fourth cube है उसका top is hidden, is lying under this. So again same shape we will make. Now side view, from the side of this, जो नीचे रखा है उसका भी दिखेगा side और एक इसका side दिखेगा. So it will be like this, the second one and this. So use pencil and scale to draw these figures. Dear students, this is your 10.1 exercise. Do last question in question number 4 in your notebook by making this table. And use pencil and scale to draw the figures. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you, my dear students. Now after this we'll do an activity based on 10.2 exercise, that is mapping.